guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm sharing with you all my recipe for an original version of Ponche de Crème or Ponche Crème. So if you guys would like to see how to make this, keep watching. So to start this recipe, I'm adding in my saucepan my milk, and I'm using whole milk or full cream milk. Next goes in a few pieces of lime skin. This is going to help cut that freshness, and 4 eggs. Now if you wanted to make a bigger batch, you can double the recipe. In goes 2 cinnamon sticks. You're going to place that on a low heat. Next, start breaking up your egg yolks and whisking it into the milk. You want to make sure that your heat is on low. You constantly mix this because you don't want it to start to stick to the bottom of the pot and you don't want this to curdle. So mix it, and once it's finished and it's warmed through, we're going to go ahead and strain it. I know a lot of you don't like that white particle in the egg. Sometimes it's really hard when you're doing a big batch to remove all of it. So the best thing to do would be straining it. So that's why I always like to strain my Ponche crème, and it gives you a really nice, smooth, creamy Ponche crème. So once you finish strain it, now it's time to add in 5 dashes of Angostura bitters. In goes 1 can of evaporated milk. I'm adding in half a cup of condensed milk. You can add less, you can add more, or you can omit it. And now we're going to go in with our puncheon rum, so 1 cup of that. If you don't have puncheon rum, you can use any other white rum that you would like. Grate in some nutmeg. Next, give it a good mix. Make sure that the condensed milk is well incorporated, it's not at the bottom. And then serve it chilled or serve it on ice. Look how creamy and how delicious this looks. So I went ahead and I just garnished with a star anise. You don't have to, or you can garnish with some grated nutmeg or some cinnamon on the top, or pumpkin spice. Feel free to switch it up. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. Make it, let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.